Yeah, man. Blessed. Glory be to the Most. I give thanks to life. You know who it is. Well, my name is Glenn Wright Dad. You know what I mean? I'm the writer of the movie them from Richard Brown Films and JAMMIWOOD and One King Films. And I've done like an assistant on some different channels, same way, you know what I mean? So, the producer, I'm a producer too. So, me and Richie run the company, Crossway, JAMMIWOOD and Richard Brown Films. One company, one movements, but two different locations. Richie the Peter Seal, me the Froome, right? So, this is a make. We think say spread the wings, it'll be better because the mission is Jamaica movie industry.
Good man, take it for granted. Good man, not getting what you wanted. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash with the stress and spend some quality time. Me not lie, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash with the stress and spend some quality time.
Oh, this man, now, Jesus. How will you use this cup and do it so? Watch out. What kind of nastiness this? No man from whom they're gonna find everybody just get nastier than did nasty before. Watch out. Looking at this up here. Watch out. So every day we must come in at this kitchen and come clean up it. So nobody else not live here. Watch out. God damn almighty. So wait there, hold on. Sammy man live here, watch out. Okay, wash, dirty plate. So when you dirty up all I plate them, what am I going to use eat? Sammy and the servant. Every day I wash plate, every day I clean out bathroom, every day I sweep up here and do all kind of. Watch out. If they want to drink of water no or somebody come in the yard, imagine they can't get one clean drink of glass. Yo. Watch out.
Morning, honey.
Where you go?
You know, some I want party if you play. I go up on the road. Where you go?
After all that last night, I'm tired.
Right now, I'm tired, but you know, I hustling go. You know, I hustling go. You alright?
You want to sleep?
I go up on the road still, so. You bathroom over there, so you just can just go over there. My sister them over there, so. I make them know say over here. So. When I come back, you know, say badness go, you know. Just go and back to sleep, man. When you wake up, I just go over there. Yeah?
Safe journey, man.
Someone have to know what kind of nasty people them here.
I go up on the road.
You go up on the road.
I want party, I go play.
I hope you take up the dirty thing them where you left on the veranda where you name water.
I want a new girl over there, man. Should you kill them come?
So share your maid.
She not my maid, but should you kill them come?
So you eat out that stuff and then wait for your woman to come take up you and she never there here. So you left it till she come. You wanted a nasty one. Wait. So you cuss so far. But you're not too nasty. Every day you left this and left that definitely you walk around and pick you up.
Candy, you don't really have to behave, so you don't have to behave, so
What do you mean not to behave, so?
You just do it and just do it thing and stop cussing. You don't have
Really?
to cuss, so.
You're not too nasty in another place and I can't bother with you. You're not too nasty man to keep the place clean.
Yo, me see you, look.
Yeah, walk on me no know where they walk for about your gun pan road and select sound. And every minute you come here want to nyam food. You know how much the food expensive now. You know, say Prime Minister raise up everything for a week.
Where you come from so early?
Me just guess one got daycare cause you know me have online classes. And when him there and he talk to her, you know that go me can't focus.
But anyways, I go up on the road and I'm not going to party, so. Let me come back, look more, you know. So.
Right, my brother.
Alright, you good?
Yeah man, you?
Yeah, man.
You want it like this, and you want it like that. Like this.
What one can be good?
Yeah, right, man. How we not come take up son?
Me just can't go daycare. Just a while ago, no. Speaking of that girl, you know, the last night I got to dance with brother Daddy. I must say, girl, me a go on with myself and I go on with myself.
So what say?
One might say, you know me under my room. One might say, take a look over, brother.
Yes.
When me look pan brother, that's what brother do, you know? Their brother cuddle.
That you ain't gonna tell me, say?
No, me have to news to tell your brother I want woman. Same girl.
The same girl you see with?
So you know see them?
You know him chatty already. I hear him talk about him. Me not see girl yet. But I hope I want a nice man.
I did dark, so me not know if you can too good. You know, we don't want ugly people in our family.
I hope she prettier than the next one when he did have around the both fun.
You look ugly black girl.
And she nasty to you, say, I hope the one is cleaner than the one they can. You can't take nastiness in there. See, stove? You don't know, so from my mother gone, me have to look better girl.
Me no like when you say for your mother, you go and knock enough for my mother too.
No man, you know, say, listen to me now. I feel with mother, you know, but the real things are going on this place and I want to clean up the place. Me have to say to me one, but me know say,
oh, you know me have a son in school.
Me understand still.
Hello?
I would have typed, come in. Hello, who are
Hello.
you?
I'm Alton's girlfriend.
Oh yes, sir. You're not too bad. Come in. Yandy, oi.
Yeah, babe.
Hello.
Alton, new
Hi.
girlfriend.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Kalani. And
And
yours?
I'm Candy.
Nice to meet
Not
you.
even
Nice to
remember
meet you.
Fiat, so you need. You see them again?
Jesus
Kalani.
Christ.
Hi, Kalani.
Hi.
If you don't remember her name and you care come to me,
Never ask her.
you should have asked her.
That
It's
look
my
on her.
pleasure meeting you.
Did
Nice
I
to
look
meet
on
you
her
too.
face?
She was excited.
Oh, you look like a nice person though.
I am. Anyways, where's the bathroom?
Oh, just go on the left right there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, number the
welcome.
plate over there?
No, I'll check. If you left nothing over there.
I'll go check. That one little over there. Alright, go on.
Same say, but told you I'm not saying man.
Same here.
You did know.
But wait, are you always a wash plate?
How will you get them left?
Yes,
from?
I she.
Oh,
Me
okay,
answer
so-
you.
Over this way.
Over in home.
Over few man yard.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus Christ. Give me them girl.
So are you always a wash plate?
Welcome to the club. Next time I wash plate, me wash them.
Yeah, man.
So I'm feeling no way. That good.
I'll go over
Can need that.
and get me fix up myself and stuff.
Alright. Yeah man.
Got a lick strong though.
Hey, babe.
Yeah, go on it.
I'm there.
You know, say more you cook some veggie chunks and dumpling for me.
Alright.
When we come home later, me can get it.
Alright.
Alright?
Yeah, man.
I love you.
Love you too. Mwah.
Mm.
Thanks for the cheeseburger and the juice.
That ain't nothing, man. You know, say, I told me they go to a bank and the check not change it. Enough things you eat lobster, you know? Put you up properly. Like how you see my look good still, you know. I say if you look like neat. And yeah. So get all pork, we put all like a bumper. I tell her, shake your bumper. Yeah. Or something like it.
So you're good?
Yeah, so far, you know, I go down for the bank, go talk to the management, because management don't let away from me, you know.
Remember, say if you give me some money.
Oh, what is that?
I'm a pie.
Go in. How are you, man?
You know, the moves are strong for me.
Listen me, man. The last man, you know. where breed my daughter, you know, I'm meeting up on my grandpicking. Right, now me I spend my money and send her for online class, you know. Right, me now on a broke pocket man with my picking, you know.
You have to get go out, you know. Remember, you know.
Alright, you are going. You are going. Seasons me are going so way. Go in a me yard I used to see.
Me now go in here.
Me no want to see back come me get me no work for you, brother. And I rent me a pay. I buy me place. I'm
Yeah.
done chat to you.
Sure, man, I'm home, man.
Yo, there's about your chat to man. Right, before you come take up your book. Right, you go breed the last time I warn you, you know. You breed. Right? Listen me. Me I spend money, I send you go a class for online. Me I take care of your pitney where you have. You know no pa. For your pitney. Right? Listen me. You see next time I catch you out there so with no man. Remember me tell you me I put you out the door me and your mother build your house here, yeah? Make it be the first and the last.
You look tired and sleepy and hungry.
No double. Me I come off you know.
Eh?
Oh, me stop by garage and me I come.
So I'm tired, man. You don't get no sleep. I couldn't even look asleep.
No, sir.
Me I sit to tell about Alton. You know, you say me and him cuss off.
No, sir.
What? Right now, me and him in a beef. Me and him cuss.
For?
No about the place, how them a keep the place nasty from my mother gone. Me have to say from my mother, you know, I will allow my mother, but the way them a behave like another
Tired to talk to that boy, you know.
In greedy so till every time I go cook, he want to come put $100 or $200 when the pot cost about 1,000 or even more.
Me don't say him nasty, you know, but $200 can't cook pot.
Anyway, want to the car.
No wire loom burn up on the computer get leaked, so. Yeah, I call your mother. So, a 200,000 a little bit. But me put on the rest still, so I look on 2,000 US on her. Anyway, I don't cook one to my food.
Yeah, say something to you. Do no matter tell him back.
No, man.
But she's a part of the run over. Me can't bother, you know.
Nah, I said nothing to him, man.
Me tell us one day that sitting. The boy a general, you know. You see girl when you have first. You know say you run with the girl.
But nice girl, eh?
But you don't know about the girl. The girl you don't know nice girl. A ugly girl and she nasty. But me see in care one next girl come here. And that the one they look like him alright, you know, she look nice but she pretty. Alright.
Yeah.
When I call mommy, tell her hi to me, here.
Yeah, man, and we go catch her fresh and sleep. So your food don't want some.
Yeah, man, you have to get that your mom to your man. Tell mommy if you stay safe from the coronavirus still.
Alright.
Yes.
Cool.
Can't make it cook, give me dirty teeth, boy.
Yo, why you run me down for an egg pop?
Boy, give me. Yo. Where teeth made for?
I really want to go.
Where teeth made for, boy?
Other day, I buy one tray egg and candy eat out half of it and daddy. You can't believe say one egg she fried this morning and take out one and you see I behave over one
So
egg.
really one egg you fight over?
Look here. You is my stepfather. You is not my father. Now see if you believe a little dirty layer teeth in
Oh yeah, dog. Oh yeah, dog. I'm gonna be here for yourself.
Stop, man, stop. Man, stop.
Alright, me pay for this.
Pay me now.
Alright. Go on side. Are you still in this fight? What are you eating? Oh, go on, Mum. You know, say me just come from work and me have to part fight with them pitney there. Pay two big pitney them, man. Eh. You heard for this thing, you know, you must have one egg them a fight over. One egg, you know, $150 me have in my name. And me have to take you out and give them to buy back the egg, you know. Can you imagine like some puss and dog living? I wonder when you come home. Eh? Alright, here what happen. Forget about the man egg. A long time I get little sitting, you know, man. Over 6 months now you're gone, you know. Me a hold out long enough, you know. Yeah, man. Cause right now, I don't think I can manage it to them, you know. Need the assistant, you know. Cause I come like here alone and take talk from. Eh, you don't have to quit your work, man. You don't have to quit it, you know. If you quit it, you go do nothing there in Jamaica.
I'm going to give you something.
What that again?
Money. I want money to buy one iPhone.
You want iPhone and your school figure. Find your face too.
My money more.
Where you want money? Hold this man. You want to you want iPhone, you know. Hold this man. That right?
But you like it, I want more.
Go up.
No, Mommy said she go send me money. And this ain't enough. You sure not take some?
No, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I'm going to go down the road and see if you can buy one, yeah?
Just watch your road and them boy. You hear that?
Yeah.
Look in the system. See how red this is.
Look up yourself.
Yeah, man. Watch yourself.
I want the iPhone, man. Just hope I get it.
What? Mama, you can't see though.
Want iPhone, I go buy.
Really?
Yeah.
You know what I'm having latest?
For real?
The 14 them.
Oh my god.
This I wanna use memory card.
So much for it.
Me give you 3 if you what you have.
Alright, that sounds good, man.
No moving up.
Alright, hurry up.
iPhone you want. iPhone you going to catch more. Wait. iPhone you want. iPhone you going to get. Woo. I tell you.
I iPhone that?
Yeah. Black. Yeah, see the memory card, but yeah. This a phone that work off of Wi-Fi. Use the Wi-Fi and charge. You don't have to fret no more card again.
A good phone then, man.
Oh, you mean?
It's Bagasin.
Ah, yeah. Look more, yeah?
No, man.
Take your time, go on. Don't turn on until I reach home, do you know?
Respect, man.
Okay, turn on your problem.
Watcha. My hair and boat door.
Okay. I'm on the same one. Veggie chunks and sitting so. They look after it.
Should you give me food?
Girl, I shouldn't even say that. You know you have to get food.
You hear me? You there, man? You there, man? You calling? Yeah, man. I miss you, man. You calling me later? Let me see Anaconda. Yeah, I say. Can't afford it.
Madam, get the food and I'm going to start with it.
Yeah, man. There, I say. Yeah, go on. Where I say, baby? Love you, G. Alright, I see you alright, man. I'll show you about the come.
Madam,
Yo.
I'm going to start with the food and now turn on.
Hold on, baby. It's so tired about. It's so short about.
Turn on that spot from my phone to charge.
Oh, hotspot don't charge a phone.
The man say a Wi-Fi charge your phone and the Wi-Fi in the house now because someone asked if you can turn on your hotspot.
Oh, Wi-Fi if you charge phone.
No. What's that the man say? You say a new
Let me
phone.
see. Let me see. Okay, watch out. iPhone 14. iPhone 14 don't even release yet.
So me a good.
You know, say you're mad. You know, no sense, you know.
Of course,
Where you get the phone from?
Popeye.
Popeye.
Yeah.
A thief there.
No, no, my teeth.
Oh, you never know say I have a thief. You know, no sense, you know, to get me tell mommy. You know, no sense, you know. You know, no sense. Go on over. Not tell mommy. Go on over, man.
Why go on Rasta? Boy, Rasta, me know say. I'm late. But I say go. Rasta! Asleep, man, asleep, man.
Yeah, man, they are all a vibe, man. Where did it?
One day, no.
Boy, it take long with the money, some of you.
I say go, man. Everything good still. It's the real, man, the real. You're not fret. Just make that little food here for our food, you know. Yeah. So I go on differently.
Yeah, man, you know, say I'm down on the farm in the morning. So I'm just a whole rest before I go back down on the farm again. Because you know my lifestyle not easy, you know.
Alright, yeah. I'll check your little system down there and leave my 1,000.
Man, go on do your thing, man. I go and hold it off, you know.
Alright.
Babes,
Yes, babe.
you cook just like mother, you know.
Really?
Since you come here, I get fat.
We noticed that one.
Food tastes good, a freak. You alright?
You know what I mean for ask you? You know, say, Candy tell me, say, she always have to clean up a place and your ex did nasty and all these things. I didn't sit me and go on there, I don't make no angry.
Yo, I just saw my sister in time, man. And then I just saw them still. Don't watch them.
I watch them, we have a good relationship.
I don't want you follow them up, you know. I don't want you follow them up. You see me? You see me here there now. We're over here, so. We're over here, so. Because I'm alone have ambition in my family. You see me there by myself. I'm alone have ambition. So I know you follow them. My sister them make them stay with them there over there, so. And you're there, so. I don't want you in now, but chatting with them.
But we have a nice relationship and stuff. It's just that I never like when I hear because they talk like a nasty bad. I mean, I don't know chatting with them. It's just that me have to ask the question.
Your food it tastes nice today though.
Thank you. Sabi, how was your day?
Today it's nice, you know. Babes, man, I go to the bathroom and come back.
Alright, babe, do it. Babes, what on there? You can't carry on the plate when I come home and wash it.
Wash it.
Brother, one thing do I know. Your girl can't cook, brother.
Does she give food?
Yeah.
So, have you chunks tonight?
Yeah, she give me.
You remember this morning?
What you do?
You remember this man now you behave like one little egg on fry?
So what? What you try say? Explain your mind.
Candy, you can't do this.
Can't do what?
Candy. Just leave me things them alone, Candy. You can't do this. I can't have me things them and you want to come eat out the things them and you're not. Yo.
Boy, me your biggest sister. And if you provide nothing in a this, and your woman cook it and give me some, how that affect you?
I care less if you're my biggest sister. I'm in a business.
But look on this little dirty boy we grew up and I come go on like him a big man. Me a biggest sister, you think a little clean your ass? And who you? And what you feel like?
Yo, I never asked you to take care of me, you know. And my mother bring me come here.
How this a boy ya? You think a little time me top from go to school just to mind you? And who you?
Yo, just when you see me things, them just leave it alone. You hear me I tell you?
And your woman give me some of the food. You want it back?
Yo, right now you just get made mad, you know. See that little girl over there, so.
Your mind dirty now, what? And you know what? I'm a matter of fact, me not everybody want to risk because nothing when nobody cuss over me and me. Damn bright.
Yo, so.
What happened to you, babe?
So when you get candy food?
Because your sister said she wants some.
You can't take me things and give a girl there. You hear me I tell you? You can't do that. Because you want to see how she behave this morning over one egg. We all roll out the door for the ground.
But B, you can't render evil for evil.
My girl, just know what you do. Because that means I can't take with woman, no man.
No listen.
Just because I give your sister a little bit of food. What you mean by woman not follow instruction?
A chat, you give me chat.
You know what? I go just walk away, isn't me?
Yo, just sling us.
No man, don't touch me. Me want some fresh air. Girl, I be a things are going over this, so my girl. That's how you fight over food around here, man.
Fight over food? Not me. I must see dirty brother where you go there with. He love fight over food. He greedy.
Me say the little food when me give a cause argument till he start putting hand on my face and sitting.
Like seriously,
If
little
me-
food?
If me did ever know see a son in town, I never there with him.
So you not lick him down?
No, me just walk off and want some fresh air. God no.
I dey want a long time but the little dirty greedy brother with me. And where you little girl so far?
Yeah, go kill him. Poor guy.
The things are true.
Come,
Lick him in the backside. Lick him.
Help me, sister.
He can't manage him, make him kill him with licking two out other. But now I help him, but me I already agreed, you know I love fighting.
Oh, no, tag.
Think you can style me?
Dirty boy, me go call mommy and tell him.
Yo, you better know what you said to me to you hear? Just make me hold you.
No, see. Dirty boy, me go call your mother. Me go call mommy. One like you want to take over a place, your woman beat.
Hey, girl, you know no ambition, girl.
Dirty boy, your woman beat and your womanizer. I mean, you get this a nice girl and she chat in here.
Girl, better go have ambition.
Ambition, you have none? Go on over here, you come over here, so your belly big now. Look at dirty craven boy where you name all 4, 5, 6 dumpling. You're craven like, you see you beat one for God.
See how girl, better come go in yard now. Think me no joke thing with him.
Candy, I don't even know how I feel right now. I can't believe all of this happened. You see how far I make you reach? I'm gonna look after some tea, made that hurt me.
I'm going to drink it and see if I feel a little better. You know what I'm saying? I go hold a fresh still.
I lay down beside that one.
I hold a fresh guy, boy, come sweat me up. Feel like I want to go be there now.
Yeah, man.
So you're back.
Yeah, man. Me general, you don't know how I go on. Yeah, my girl I try to style out the thing. I have to just cut, man. She all get knocked still, you know. So, I'm not too worry about she right you know. I just have focus on life, you see me? Life is a thing. Yeah, you know. Don't later, you see me?
Yo, go easy. That's your stone, man. How are you the money, man?
Yes, it's a bad mind.
What?
Me don't know. That's what Jamaican people turn, man.
Alright, just calm down, man. Go down and yard, go talk.
I tell you.
How are me to you?
Daddy, come here and talk to you.
So your face looks so warm to you.
My girlfriend burned me up with that water last night, me and her in a fight.
So no love fight, so.
Daddy.
So what she there now?
She a pack up her clothes to go and me a beg her not to go and she still a go. She in her house to pack up her clothes.
What a hall of them you see you bring come here? I best one that I really make sure go.
Daddy, just go and talk to her for me.
I'm going to talk to her here what I want. Oh yeah, my son have now.
He want me to mean to the family. You understand me? Me give his sister some food last night and he box me for that.
Oh, sir, that can't talk over. I'm going to talk to him.
No, me not stay here so because since as me cannot give him family some of the food and me have to go be mean because of him greediness, me and that not go work. Me a cut.
I'm going to talk to him, man.
He bring out the ignorance in me yesterday. Me have to throw hot water upon him because I don't like when man put their hand on my face. Me's a mad somebody, you know. But me just humble and say, you know what? I go home.
You know, you're a nice girl. And trust me, I don't like you leave, you know. I'm not thinking I'm going to find nobody else like you.
Daddy, I feel business that not mine. You should have didn't know that before and put your hand on my face.
Alright, forgive him, man. You have to learn to forgive him. You say you're vexed right now, man. But things can easily talk over.
Me forgive him, you know. But
So if you forgive him, you know why you're leaving.
me forgive him, but me not go forget. You
But right now,
understand?
him forgive you, and him ask me to talk to you, so I try talk to you. For sure, say, oh, you have him up, him not have you up that way there. But me go talk to him. Because right now, if you leave me, him not going to find nobody like you. I'm sure of that.
I feel business.
Me not tell him mother about you saying find a nice girlfriend and thing and she dying to meet you, just leaving like this. That can't happen, man. Put on the bag and talk, man. We must can talk.
Me we talk with you and hear what you say. You understand? But when it comes to him, I don't think I want to go back there so. He done show me in true colours and how he stay already. And that's how far it goes.
As in, see my father son look up for him and behave that way there, you know. But me will talk to him, man. I bet you say it not happen again. And that's how I grow him, you know.
But
A
Daddy,
good boy, I grow, you know.
Daddy hear me I say no man. A big man that. So if you follow friends and they do them the foolishness.
That's why I go talk to him.
And then, man.
Calm down yourself, man. Where you back the girl for? And that's how I grow here, you know.
Daddy girl, I get too bright, man.
Anyway, me set things for you still, so go on and go talk to her.
Babes, you burn me a party now, man.
You lucky hungry that alone I get.
I can ramp, so.
Ramp? Which part of me went the ramp?
Son, ramp you call it.
You box me and call that ramping?
Babe.
Over food?
I eat that, you see a candy, you see I eat that girl candy make scars up.
Nobody not make you do nothing.
You know, see I eat that girl want me to live bad and you just come and you want to make my sister make you live.
No go so. No go so.
I eat that girl candy cause the last
You're craving why that happen.
Who craving?
You.
Babes, you know, say type of foolishness, man. And come here, man. Babes, come test me, yes.
Stop, I was afraid of my ears. Sure.
Thou shalt not be afraid for the terror by night, nor for the arrow that flieth by day, nor for the pestilence. Hello?
Hello,
Come in, I'm coming.
Krista.
I am coming.
Krista.
Who is it?
Krista.
God have mercy. No, man. This is somebody are deaf. May they come. You don't hear that I'm coming. Where come back, Christopher?
Krista, I'm going to look for.
You dirty boy, come look for my sister. At this side there. Why?
So what you want to know me want your sister for? You so fast.
Let me ask you one question. Why you come back at this house here? Let me tell you something. It seems like you come at the wrong gate, at the wrong house. This don't come back at my door. If me did not say you the out here, so me nobody pull it. Let me tell you something. You see my sister? Me love my sister dearly. And me is not my stepfather. Me notice that I hide from my stepfather. But me different from my stepfather. Me want serious girl. Me no ramp with people when he come on to my sister. Especially how one idiot when he pick up already, breed him and gone left him now. My stepfather fi a send her back at school. My stepfather all the heavy. You have to call me mama and foreign for money. Boy, don't make me have nothing. You hear me I tell you?
Yo, you're 3 years old, man. You're along, so.
It's nice to live when you're old. That is a blessing. No found the dead before time.
That's true, but you have to go on so with me,
Move
man.
from here, someone and not in no argument with me. And don't come and come here and come ask my sister. My sister don't want no idiot, man. Move.
Yeah, man, look on you. I slam door in people's face and can't buy bulb put on the veranda. Bulb for about 59 in a supermarket.
Girl, wake up. Like you're tired. Look like you're tired.
I work for a morning, girl.
More you feel me go over with my cousin. He always have some food over there. I'll go see over there what I can get. Can I come?
Yeah, man, remember, I have to cook for that the one day I'm seasoning in the house, so. I'll show me more time come.
Alright, may I wait for you?
Alright.
Good man, take it for granted. Good man, not getting what you wanted. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash your distress and spend some quality time. Me not lie, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash your distress and spend some quality time. Me not lie, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. In this crazy world, no things are.
As you come along, you can see from over the side of the here, so. They're not ready yet, but soon, with the blessing of Almighty, then go work, you know what I mean, and then go spread off the whole place and pumpkin go, did it? I wonder when the pumpkin come, you can send two and go down and market, go sell.
I can't send she love work.
No, we don't depend on that. I already do as much work at home. Plus,
Why?
that the one and I go want me to do it.
No matter about people, you know, the farming, and them selling is a must, you know, I don't go on like, I'm afraid to go, but we do the hustling, you know. So when the pumpkin come in and everything manifests, when I like to know, so I can call upon one who said, we have to go out in the market, go sell it out, and somebody that's going to sell the car. I mean, I'm a general. I do the day, you know what I mean? Yeah, but differently. We don't want two bananas differently. Two fingers and fight. Yeah. Someday I go and do some work, you know. So me link on the still, that's it.
Alright.
Yeah. Let me tell you something, baby girl. You're beautiful like any Israel. More precious than diamond and pearl.
I know make the girl that takes so long to call me and I have something to go. I need to call her, you know. Peaches. Girl, I wish you this so long. Remember say I want to go somewhere before that the man like forward, girl. Alright. Hurry up. Come on, boring. I'm gonna have a whole heap of things to tell a girl. Alright, hurry up. Hopefully it's some music.
Hey, this is for all the big bumper girls, all the big bumper girls. Ready? Oh, make your body jump, make your body jump, make your body jump. make your body jump, girl, make your body jump, make your body jump, girl, make your body jump, make your body jump, girl, make your body jump, make your body jump, make your make your body jump, girl, make your body jump, make your body jump, girl, make your body jump. Get up, put down, bend down, wind down.
Girl. Why you take so long to come? I'm cool after.
Why you made me chat to Panny Road? Oh, a long time to see, you know.
So girl, as I can't see me there, I try a little thing. You know, I can't dance and all that, so just there, bored, and say me I do something.
What you mean when you say you can't dance? Why me just come in and come see you do?
Girl, I don't know
that
that.
big bumper. No, sir.
I don't know dancing, girl.
You can't say you try a thing, you know, because that's a dancing.
I don't see it the way there. But anyways, love that. What go on?
Why? Me and for me man left, you know.
I lie.
Me and Dirty Dennis left.
You and Dennis left?
Me say, girl, one of my cousins tell me say, if you do one fake Facebook account, and me go do it. Girl, in fall feet.
Really?
Yep. So me get to find him out, say my cheat, all in something there. So, me cut him off, man. Me can't bother with the stress. Right now, me I look one nice man.
Dennis, we're in a relationship so perfect. But I call for the relationship perfect.
It was. Until me met the account. You see, when he say, you know, have no woman, girl a disobeyed me. Me confront him about it, you know. And he say, me not even remember what he say. But him a deny it. As if me not see the message there in my phone.
So you say I go and be bored, you know?
No, a nice bar on the road, you know. Can go there, go jam a little bit.
So we are there. Come on now.
Give me the number here in a lot of it. 5, 8, 17, 26, 33, 37. Man, add all extra number for Robo in Jamaica. What go on? Yeah man, this look like a hit. Them dead! Them dead! Eat now!
How do you go? How do you?
Why I tell us, boy? Win the lotto, no boy.
Which lotto?
Come, you know you saw me win the lotto.
Yeah, go on with things though. Yeah. Well, yo, put up that thing up, cause somebody kill you for that thing up. You know, real see when it comes to money, you see?
$200 million.
If I change, you will change you now.
Right away.
Bunny dog, where you going?
Where you going, brother?
Yeah, well, it,
Where you going so far?
you see, it said lot of business where everybody, you see on the news from one day, everybody has a smart win the lotto and nobody know who win. Nobody come for money yet. This time winning in his pants pocket up on yard from when and he buck up on here and I'm winning. So he does a jump and a celebrate. Yeah.
Oh.
He pull money and say they ain't going to.
I go down to the yard still.
But they have them problem, you know you go?
Alright, my brother.
Is that for your father here? When he come, they give him it for me.
Alright, no problem. What? Daddy nothing I'm grape, I say I'm belly big.
Morning, my daughter.
Morning, Daddy.
You remember you look man and see I talk to your papa?
Daddy, you run me in one day and that Papa vanish. Papa ain't in my mind again.
But me feel say you give him a chance in your life and see what go on.
Me find somebody else where me think can make me and for him life, and for me pitney life better.
Believe me, If you say that be the right man for you to start life with.
Daddy, yes, the new man when me have. Me in love with him. Him little and him cute, you see.
And the cuteness I do the thing, you know. How can I help you in a life? I do the thing. All these years me in a night Joe. I struggle for you. A full time for you to do back something for me. Papa is the right man for you, so more you vanish out this cuteness, because cuteness now put you away.
Papa, money make you want him.
Well, if you see so, nothing wrong with that. Because money make him in run. Look how much years me I work and I struggle for you. A full time now for me start drive sitting. In the year say boy win lotto. Much time if I tell you. More you think about it and give him a chance in your life. You know I live somewhere good. Alright, think about it. You might come for dinner later. And I put them daughter-in-law left for me.
Yes, Daddy.
What a blessed daughter-in-law me have. God bless her. Couldn't have a better daughter-in-law in my life.
Babes, you know, so me I go want money if you do something.
Talk worry about money, man. You tell me go up there, go check and tell me, say them give me first piece of money. You see, first piece of money, I use it buy a piece of land and put a big mansion to me, you see me? Second, you see, second piece of money too. And you, me, I get that. Make a deal with you want deal with you and your youth. I remember I said, borrow one piece of money for your father still, me.
So you can buy some clothes and fix up yourself. You need for that hairdresser because say here one do too.
Listen, me teach you something. It's when you win something. You know if you make crowd know. Right now, me put on a Chris clothes tomorrow now. A problem for me, and pay attention and everybody around me down, you know.
And not for business what people want to say.
No, but you have to just like normally see when you look like you're a sufferer. You can't just rich.
So yes, I'm go get the money or not.
Of course, baby, you're my queen, you know. You know, fret more money once of me, you know, fret more money. Money is no problem. It's once of me, money is no problem.
What go on, son-in-law?
Why I'm there, you know?
Make a wise choice, you know. Trust me. I hope you know make him get to you know. Hold on upon him, now let him go. Me soon come.
Why my father no easy?
How am I say?
You have to know everything.
You know, tired, you know. Keep on the bag and I don't know, soon start drive out.
Enjoy today though.
Yeah, man, so wait there. You follow inside?
Oh, you know, say mommy did send one piece of money if he fix up the car, so probably gonna Western.
A good look, man. Here, one inside, they'll go to you there.
Alright, later.
Now come out, you know.
No, babe.
Alright, love you.
Love you.
What go on, son-in-law? You don't look good at all.
You know, say me have one issue here. The bank. Can't check go down there and it's big. They might tell me say 5 days before me get it back.
Where you looking, sir?
What do I know?
Boy, my wife just sent a piece of money for me work for my vehicle, you know. How much you want, sir?
You know, say me I tell you the truth. 150,000 I look for borrow. Me I tell you, in-law, me say me check all my auntie and my uncle them and they, when me say they rotten rich. Them don't know say me win the lotto. So me, you see like how they not give me hit. Me not help them. Cause they must broke and God must broke them foot, man.
But like how you win the lotto, me nobody want at the car there, you know.
You don't worry about that, me in-law. Me I tell you, a crown me I put you in.
Come in, grab us.
Latest 2021.
I'm going to count some money, Aleni.
Right away.
One also we live bad.
Why, me I tell you. I won't make them.
You know, you not take care of your face though. Look at your face bump up.
No, man, money I take you right, you know.
Tired. I'll drink out my drinks. How you dirty foot they do for my mother settee? Boy, get up. You know my mother work hard to buy this. How owe you? A matter of fact, me no want you until you say if you no come here so back to my sister again.
Don't
point your hand on my face. Look at your name, dry biscuit.
Oh, done. Daddy
You can't even buy nothing give me sister for name. You want to come breed him and left him for my mother and my stepfather.
Come here.
Yo, don't talk to me when you hear me talk. Me bigger than you. You're supposed to listen when me I say. It's a dirty boy you want to come pick up.
Yo, me your friend and
me your friend?
But you know, me not gonna tell you, I'm just telling you.
My sister this and he not chat to no dirty careless man. When I have nothing to hear.
Yes, I'm doing
no point your hand on my face. Come out of this.
Come,
what you feel like?
You no stop this now. Done.
Your sister's time one night and I'm doing on my face and I left here.
No, baby, don't go. Come.
Me say, you talk to him can get out. Me left here.
Me no want you feel
like that. Kind of man you call baby. Come out of my mother place, dirty boy. Over wash your thinking foot.
You see you're not one trim.
Nobody let me tell you what I want trim. Come out and come back in, you dirty dog. What kind of dirty man that you gonna take up?
Calm down your little self, no man. Come here, come. Hold a seat. Girl, you see the letter where everybody a talk about? I him Winnie. So me no know where you can go and suffer. Daddy say a good man and he win the letter so me can keep him here and treat him good.
Oh, you know what saying with letter?
Me see the ticket, girl.
So what you can never tell me for a long time?
Girl, you're too ignorant.
Then I must get
sometimes
ignorant.
You calm your little self.
But like when you have money, you can talk to him.
Yes.
Talk to him, you
but
me
love him, you know.
Me well when you talk to him, because I forget some of that the money there.
Daddy want to car.
You see ticket?
Yeah.
So what ticket there?
Me not know me have him.
I him have it? You sure about that?
Yes, girl, but he not collect yet.
So we cannot run go call him back?
No, girl, he good. He might come back. He love me like a... You know, dry peas and water, so he want me, girl.
You mean real love in a real life? Oh, me understand. Alright.
Me look past one.
Alright then.
Later, my sister.
Yeah, man.
Been lucky. Yes, yes, mama. You know, say we have a gorilla gold because we are selling them, mama.
Yeah, man, I eat more.
So
what you sell them?
No, say 5 days a one do, mama.
So what you think about 2?
Yeah, man, you can take it 2 man, 2 weeks, give him a good dose of medicine, man. You know where you go. Make sure say you know what you do with it, mama. Alright. You see our words, everything go differently.
Yeah, man.
Alright, take care, right?
Okay.
Alright.
Babes, I know I feel hungry. I look after some breakfast. We have for breakfast today.
Wow. 3 egg, 3 sachets, 4 slices of bread, and one of the egg them want to scramble it. The other 2 just fried.
What kind of tea you want?
Milo.
With condensed milk or Lasco?
Lasco. Vanilla Lasco.
Alright.
The restaurant where they sell food at morning time. Or the other one. Alright, I'll get ready now. I'll get ready. Babe, I'm about to crack it egg, I'm going.
Yeah.
I'm about to fry egg, I'm going.
So where you go?
I'm so come, I'm open the road, I'll do something, I'll come back.
Okay, alright.
Yeah.
Girl, as I talk about that, me have him run up and down right now. Like a one piece of idiot. And serve him right too. Let me tell you what I want. I make one account sitting there, WhatsApp, and it takes him nice and easy, you know, as one other person. You know, no see me I text him. You understand? So you feel like say I want another girl. I cheat him, I plan for cheat for me, and I hit him they do because right as you speak, me text him saying for meet him up at X. You know what I mean? Yeah. So they ain't down there right now, and so me I text him, I saw him I look up and down for you know? See there? Yeah, reply, Kuya. Where are you? What is not this? Hey.
Right now, I can't move. I forget somebody come to me in a bad man.
Brother, I forgot what then, Mike. Come here, a girl, wait on you. I forget get the place we ready.
Brother, you can't me down there, say girl live down there, so I go down there so I don't see girl. We go up there so brother, we don't see girl. He just have me all over the place done.
Brother, the girl they right, he sure this time say girl did it. We sure this time. So
brother, I have to get somebody to come to me, brother, so you have to pay me.
Yo, link me down on me out, cause me I go walk.
So I go move, you left me here, so brother.
Call the man to come look on the bike now, brother, yo. Call the man to come look on the bike. Yo, my girl, can't miss your style, me saying. Big man. Can't miss your style. Yeah, man, I ride up. Yo, hold on.
Hold on, power youth. No, me money budget.
With the panic, brother. Easy, man, me have come, man. Super hot, yo. Yeah, man, yo.
Yo, me can't wait. Me have to move right now, brother. Me have things to deal with, bad man. Yeah, this year give me brother. Brother, I want to girl them too. Yeah, I want to girl them too.
Yo, we go so get girl, man.
Yeah, I'm doing that thing up here with them.
Alright. Yeah.
See, I know.
Yo, you can't be saying star, Mr. Man. You have man a ride around the place and look for you like an idiot. I'll book a room and I'll know you can't see you, my girl. What kind of thing that you know see you go around me? Yo, look a bit here, man. How you go?
I'm finna go. Me go my yard. You see woman where you wait pan? Where the text boy and the book hotel room for is me. And me set up everything. And me I text the whole time. You see look how much sitting me do for you. Me wash, cook and clean for you. After everything I this I do, and me if you stay. Boy come out of my way.
Babes. No matter which fish. Where you go? Yo. Bite man, go on, bite man.
Excuse.
Babes, relax.
It done.
Babes.
You're
Papa, you man saying
Brother, lift up, man.
You're ungrateful. And I choose.
So babes, why can't I do this?
Why me I do this?
Yeah, I do this.
So you texting and saying that you're this and you're that. You listen to me. I don't even want to go in. I time more me think about it, you get me upset. Excuse.
Babes, nobody do this.
Excuse.
What's your number? Make we work out, you know?
No, we work out the fact that you did box me in my face because me feed your sister, me give your sister a little bit of food and me bypass that. But it's when it comes to this, no.
Babes. What's your number? Nobody with you, man.
Give me a minute, come in. What going to play?
Krista not there.
No, she's not there, but you can come in, man.
Boy, she can walk, but she's man.
You can have a seat. You want some drinks?
Some drinks?
Yeah.
Alright, let's give me your best drinks you have there.
Me have some drinks on the mix already in the fridge. Me not have no alcohol or nothing. You want it?
No, I'm not drink. I'm not drink alcohol. Give me. Since when she's so nice to me. Yeah, man, best flavor too.
It's nice.
No, I say, I can't have think about your sister. It's like, more, you know, me just feel like a she. Me want to marry her now.
Me have seen to ask you, what kind of plan you and my sister have you now?
You know, some plan to move her out.
You talk to my stepfather about that?
Mm-hmm. Up on the hill. She not tell her?
So you're sure say you and Krista talk about this?
My heart beat that.
Anyway, as long as you know so my sister go alright, you know. That good.
Mm-hmm.
How long you drink is now you can't drink. You can't dead out. So boy a skill, you know. Somebody buy the number them after the day where it play. Oh man, you're too skilled, man.
Good man, take it for granted. Good man, not getting what you wanted. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash your distress and spend some quality time. Me not lie, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash your distress and spend some quality time. Me not lie, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. In this crazy world, no things are gone. You keep on getting hurt and keep holding on. But them things you have gone long before you're born. Him not treat you right, then you tell him to go on. No pretend for a while, them a good actor. Now run come give the loving to the love doctor. Make me give you some loving when I'm go fracture. Me know you're tired of the old boring chapter. If you were something, baby girl. You're beautiful like any Israel. More precious than diamond and pearl. Number one in the spell. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash with this chest and spend some quality time. Me nah lie, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash with this chest and spend some quality time. Me nah lie, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. He keep on making your life so sad. To him no know what him has. Fire him and give the rest the job. I see that every problem will solve. Cause I know what a good woman worth. 24/7 me I give you comfort. If I race around you know say you are come first. Rastafari and this and on that. A good woman. So hard to find. I gotta try to find everything in the world just to make you mine. Cause if you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash with this stress and spend some quality time. Me nah lie, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash with this stress and spend some quality time. Me nah lie, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. You want it like this, and you want it like that. You want it like this.
Alright, so big up on yourself, and as always, thank you guys for watching. It's always a pleasure to create these type of content for you guys. We are ever so hard at work making sure that we make content every day. Even though you guys want us to post more often, but these movies really take a lot out of us in terms of time to film them, time to edit, and then we have to review it before we post it. So we kind of eliminate the mistakes so we can make sure you guys have good stuff to watch. Alright, we're in the lockdown period and we are filming just the same. Today we just get a little break for head out, so we just have grab something, head back in, and then continue with the team to make the content so you guys can watch it. Big up to everybody that has been sending in all those donations, have been supporting what we're doing, because you don't know, without you guys nothing is possible. So big up on yourself. I can't call all the names right now off the top of my head for the names of the persons that has sent us donations. So if you have sent us donations, whether it be through the Cash App, the PayPal, or the straight super chat, thank you guys, because we really appreciate it. As we say in Jamaica, every mickle make a muckle, and we use those donations either to buy food, transportation to send people home, or just to grab maybe a battery for the camera, or anything that we need, we just use it up. So thank you guys, and continue to support us. On behalf of myself and the entire team, thank you guys for watching, and big up on yourself.
So today we're here about a different inquiry. Watch it and listening.
Give me love. Give me love.
Rastafari. Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, blessed morning, you know, as we proceed. Yeah, so the vehicle that I'm driving now, it's not mine. The people that is coming for it, I'm you know, so I have to look forward to get a vehicle for yourself, so to speak, because you love the movie them, and you take what it takes to do them, right? It's like no budget, because we don't really have the resources, and we don't want country part. Then I look out for the people them who are the good. Yeah, police I look for bad man. They don't have nobody I look for the people who are the good. So we are the people them that's doing good, and while doing good, it's gonna be rough. So now we need a vehicle to drive up and down, for do the scene them, catch different scenery. If we are going to a river, go shoot a river scene. If we are go Mandeville, anywhere we are going to an island, we need a vehicle that we can move around. Plus, on a daily basis, we probably live now. It's on a scheme, we're in a one scheme, so you know you go one item from the shop and things and them way there. You understand what I mean? So you need the vehicle for up and down to get things done faster when you are shoot. You know what I mean? So this is what we are look forward for. So we are look for the donation them for towards specifically, you know, to get a vehicle. Yeah. So when you donate, if you want your name called, you can't know say your name called. So then you are part of the development of the JAMMIWOOD movements, because it's a must. In one country part slavery done already, we still a slave here. You know what I mean? That's why the country is so vile. So if you know about Jamaica, you can tell why Jamaica is so vile, because it's lack of opportunity. And what do good, no get no recognition. You know what I mean? So hope say this reach the right age where them can understand say we do need help to proceed what we're doing. You know what I mean? Not cry, not ball. Back on my feet again. I'm back on my feet again. But show Jah my problem, and Jah will solve them. I'm back on my feet again. Hello world. Cool world. Good world still, you know, give thanks to life, you know. So we're here again, bright and early in the morning. You know what I mean? Give thanks to life first and foremost, you know what I mean? Yeah. Just a come back off of the road, left off. So you know, so now, with that one place apart, we do not have a vehicle anymore. We cannot consider ourselves having a vehicle anymore, but we do need a vehicle now. So some of the money, I have some of the money already, but I do need some more money on it so I can get a vehicle so we can move around the place freely, you know what I mean? And I have to say thanks to the person that lent the vehicle, because we have it for about 4 months or so, or more. 6 months, 7 months. How long we have a vehicle for?
On 8 or 7 months.
Alright, but then region there. Papa done they behind the camera now. Papa when they behind the camera. You understand? So we have enough camera people, you see? So but the whole movements do need a vehicle to move around, because it make it more feasible and easier. Because this is like a non-profit organization, and people wonder why I use so much people. But Jamaica full of talent, and I want to expose a lot of people as possible, because that's the only way you go start an industry. You know what I mean? But I'm starting from nothing. You know what I mean? I wish we did have a leadership in the country where you look out for the people them and the talent them that's here. So since we don't have that, I'm trying to be that person that don't think about nothing more than the mission at hand. Movie industry we are do forward, so I push the talent them forward. So I just push as much people as I can. You know what I mean? So this is my way forward. Movie industry must begin. You know what I mean? It has begun, but 200 movie gone already, and I want to do 1,000 more different story, because one day it's going to be relevant, because I'm trying to preserve the culture that we have, so that one day when we done do certain things and done talk about certain things, we actually can watch back these movies and so this was like it was. You know what I mean? Someone go different area across the island and catch places, because place and place go change over time. Someone catch different communities, different dress, different code, because all them used to dress back in the days is not all them dress now. So this is just a mission forward. We'll put in the work. And if you want to be a part of the movie business, like if you want, you know man, you want anything you want involved in, you can make the link. The number is on the screen, we'll write upon it, so you see the number that you call it. That's how you get in contact with me, straightforward. You know what I mean? So you take what you take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? So just reach out and see if we can come together. Because one of the things I look into, I ensure that I make a bomb. I reach out to my families them first. You know what I mean? And you hear the result when the time is right. You know what I mean? So we are at a harsh reality of life. But we as people need to help each other. You know what I mean? Because I'm trying to help with that I can do by fighting the war. You know what I mean? Anything I have, I put it towards and doing. That's the mission at hand, because at a country where there's no opportunity, you're fighting a war to create awareness that we are here, we got talent. We should have a channel, no, a TV station should say, that show our movie. In my own country, I cannot get a movie on TVJ or CVM. I don't know why, but that's a different topic for a different time. You know what I mean? Where we could get some finance from to move the thing forward. So, anywhere in the world where there's a station, we could get a movie put on it and we could get paid from it, we welcome the opportunity, because we are talented and we have to prove that, and we are going to fight the war until everybody recognize our talent. Thank you for all those people who recognize it and enjoy the movie on a daily basis, but it's like a non-profit organization. We're not making enough money to keep it afloat. So every money I make, I put it back in it. So I couldn't save money to buy a vehicle. But I have a little money put one side that we use buy food. Now we start, Born Rebel, we start, you know, we not eat as much as we eat. We start cutting dog. Breakfast, we not eat breakfast again. We eat lunch and maybe we eat dinner. So we have to do it because we have to get the vehicle because it's needed, and the decision that we have to make. Survival. So thank you for listening. I hope this reached the right ears. Contact me and give me a donation towards the vehicle. Help me. We need a makeup. You know what I mean? So we can get the vehicle in time. Because we know can't move when we want to move. That's a problem. You know what I mean? If somebody gets sick, I have to carry them to the hospital. Anyways, at all. Somebody wants something to eat. It's my time, you have to really go buy a bag of things out on the road and come back. With the first on the road. See the road there? You go way back around so. And then you go way back around so if we go to the first shop. But not have some market where we go way out of town out so. But so that's why I really need it. So it's what we can do. Do what you can do, right? I believe. So the people out there, good people is out there. So I hope this reach to good people in my ears who really believe in Jamaica and a better Jamaica. That's what I'm fighting for. You know what I mean? From I have a daughter, I have a son. That's a different story. You know what I mean?